Welcome to the start of my glow up.
Melbourne has just announced today that we're going back into a 7-day lockdown.
Meant to be a glow up vlog has just gone to trash. What are the chances? Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, guys, please subscribe. It really helps me so much and it makes me the happiest person ever. I never say it in my videos because I don't want to be one of those people who do, but I suppose it's important to let you guys know to please subscribe and please like my video. Anyway, this video, I'm having a glow up. I need it. What goes hand in hand for me with mentally feeling strong is also my appearance. If I'm shape and taking care of my skin and taking care of my hair, like all of that is really important to me. When I look good on the outside, it usually coincides with how I'm also feeling on the inside. I do have an event this Saturday night. Hopefully it still goes ahead because at this rate Melbourne may be going back into a lockdown with how it is with COVID. Today is the 27th of May, Thursday the 27th of May. So I've got the next 6 days off from work, which is really nice. So yes, today is braiding day. So I'm going to look at my hair at the moment. Here's a little update. My hair has grown actually quite a bit. So if you know, my first video that I've posted on my YouTube channel is my big chop vlog, but it is time. I miss having long hair. I want to be blonde again, so I'm going to bring it back in. Quick little OOTD before I get going. This is like my go-to outfit when I go to work. I wear like hoodie, leggings and sneakers to work because I like being comfortable, because I end up getting changed into scrubs. I mean, to be fair, I do live in this attire anyway. I was planning to go to Chadstone afterwards though to pick up a few things, and I was going to wear like jeans and like a really cute top and just like dress up a little bit more. But then I was like, no, I'm sitting in a chair for like 4 to 6 hours possibly today, so there is no point wearing jeans. I want to be comfy, so I'm wearing leggings and a hoodie, and that is that. So I'm now running late because I did this intro to my vlog, so let's get going. First things first, I need to go get braiding hair, so I need to go past the African hair salon now to pick up my hair extensions. Let's go.
Dat du vet det chalas. All in ingen broms, schackmat på din vänster hand. Du så viktig baby, ja du allians. Du försiktig baby, men du gav mig en chans. Det 50-50 baby, men det är balans. Jag växlar upp med dig baby, ingen annan.
Got my bag of goodies. I want to try doing goddess braids. I'm going to insert a picture here of what that looks like. So I got like curly braids. Hopefully that's right. I don't know if that's the right type whatsoever, but I got a dark brown that matches the same color as those curly braids, and I also got an ice blonde. I love my blonde dark brown mix that I have been doing when I get my hair braided, but I don't know if that's gonna work if I want to do the goddess braids. I don't know if I have to keep it all brown, so we'll see what happens. Let's go.
Yeah. Hey guys.
I can never be a YouTuber.
Det var fan ingen dans på någon ros innan jag träffar någon som dig. Baby. Det var fan ingen dans på någon ros innan jag träffar någon som dig. Du är mitt liv, baby. Aldrig titta på någon annan, varför du med annan? Kom var med mig, baby. Aldrig lita på någon annan. Finns ingen annan, jag vill ha min chockarinna. Målsa och saving är sinna. Jag kommer alltid ride with you. 100 gubbar klart jag die for you. Du är så viktig baby, ja du allians. Du är försiktig baby, men du gav mig en chans. Det är 50-50 baby, men det är balans. Jag växlar upp för dig baby, ingen annan.
done bloody, what, 4 hours later. I think I was right when I estimated 4 to 6 hours this morning. Oh my god, thank goodness. It is like a platinum blonde. You would have seen when I showed you the packets of hairs. It's like a platinum blonde, which I'm not entirely used to. Like, I'm so used to having like a more warmerish, yellowish blonde. So this is an adjustment period now, seeing me with light hair. It is super long when I get home. Actually, you probably would have seen in the last clip when I stood up and did a little twirl. But I'm heading home. I live on the other side of town to where I go. So my usual girl that I usually see, I haven't seen her in so long, Cynthia. I'm going to put all her details here. She's absolutely amazing. I haven't seen her in the longest time simply because of COVID, because of us living on the opposite side of town. It's been just so hard. Like, I live an hour and 20 minutes. Like, look, I'm not even joking. Look how long it's going to take me to get home. But because of that, I was seeing a hairdresser that was close to home, and they were fantastic. The hairdresser that I usually go to in Dandenong are absolutely incredible too. But I just miss Cynthia, and she's my girl. It's just so cool to catch up with her. But Melbourne has just announced today that we're going back into a 7-day lockdown. So me getting this hair done was meant for, obviously I wanted to have my hair done to have it in a protective style. I miss having long hair, I miss being blonde. I wanted it for that, but I also wanted it for this event that I was meant to be going to this weekend. That was meant to be the purpose of this vlog. So don't really know what I'm gonna do now, but yeah, that's the situation.
It is the next day. It is a gloomy grey day outside. Melbourne's now back in a 7-day lockdown, and I woke up this morning with my period. I feel crampy and gross and just want to rest all day, which is exactly what I am going to do today. But it's just so funny because the intention of this vlog was meant to be a glow up vlog. Get my hair done, and then I was going to go get my nails done, and I was going to like look all glamorous, you know, feeling myself and getting excited to go to this influencer event that I was going to bring you guys along with me to. And it's just so funny how all of these series of events that was meant to happen has just gone to trash. What are the chances? What is this vlog? With that said, I did just get a package this morning delivered to my door, so I thought I'd do an unboxing. Before I unbox, I am going to go jump in the shower, I think, and just like freshen up a little bit. I want to do my skincare, even though I've completely run out of all my skincare products. I was going to go past Mecca today because I actually want to try a new skincare brand now. So my plan today was to go past Mecca and get that, but obviously we're in a lockdown now, so that's out the window, but that's okay. I'm still dealing with my hormonal acne at the moment, but also when I have my period, my pimples just flare up even more. Quickly jump in the shower first, freshen up, and then do this unboxing. So I got myself a Burberry scarf. I have been wanting to just get myself like staple items that I wear regularly and need that is good quality, that's going to last me. Ooh. Ooh, look at that packaging. And a little envelope that's also really cute. Just all my receipts in there. It's not multiple price of that one. This green lined box, that's interesting. The little Burberry sticker, that's nice, that's nice. I see you packaging. Oh my god, it's so soft, so soft. So yes, I am a basic bitch. I just got a simple pattern. Really getting into colder weather now here in Melbourne, and you know, I wear a lot of black as well, and I want to be able to like wear something like this that I can put over the top to break up the color a little bit more too. And this is also so warm, so soft. Love, so cute. Burberry, London, England, made in Scotland, 100% cashmere. has all of that, so you know it is a legitimate one. Guys, this is so nice and it feels amazing, and I love the pattern. The pattern is so cute. Completely made my day. Like I said, I feel so rubbish and feel not the greatest at the moment, but freshening up first before opening this. I'm feeling very grateful. The sun is coming out again, which is also a sign to me to just be grateful for what you've got. Yeah. So happy. I'm gonna leave it here, guys. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.